This today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to cut the video in Capcut. Let's get started. I have imported my video to Capcut right here. And if we want to cut the video, we have to click on the video like this. And then you have to choose the part of your video that you want to cut. And you can place this parameter like this. And after you choose the part of the video, you can click on split right here. Then if you want to move that part, you can click on delete option right here. And you can also cut the video by clicking on the video like this, and then drag the screen like this to cut the video. Let's practice it one more time. Drag your screen, and alright. And that's how we can that's how we can cut the video in Capcut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.